Okay, see question number 22. The system of linear equations x plus y plus z is equal to 2, 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus a square minus 1 into z is equal to a plus 1. See here, a we don't know. Based on a, they are giving the answers. You see, these three equations has infinitely many solutions for a equal to 4. Is inconsistent vector when modulus of a is equal to root 3, inconsistent vector a equal to 4, unique solution for modulus of a is equal to root 3. Okay, see what will come under, we have to see. Okay, now matrix A first I will write. Matrix A 1 1 1. Okay, 2 3 2, but here 2 3 a square minus 1. Okay, let us find first determinant. Determinant a is equal to, see, 1 into 3a square minus 3, okay, minus 6, minus 1 into 2a square minus 2, 2a square minus 2, minus 4, plus 1 into 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. I need not write here. Okay. See what will come under. Let us see. See, 3a square minus 9 minus 2a square. See, minus 6 outside minus is there, plus 6 0. Okay. Again, see, 3a square minus 2a square, a square minus 9 plus 6 minus 3. Okay, see, this you keep in one bracket or box. Why? Because you have found determinant a. With this you cannot say. Why? Because see, only with one value you cannot say. A is equal to 4. If you keep 4 square, 16 minus 3, 13 will come. 13 means rank is going to become 3. Okay. Rank is 3, but infinitely many solution. No, not correct this answer. When you take at 4, okay, but a root 3 has not come here. Okay, when you equate it to 0, that is why wait. Okay, now we take augmented matrix AD. Okay, AD 1 2 2 1 3 3. Okay, but I am going to take the third column is this one. I am going to take 1 3 3 1 2 a square minus 1. I am going to take 2 5 a plus 1. Okay. Now this is augmented matrix. Let me find the determinant of this also. Okay. Determinant is equal to, okay, 1 into 2a plus 2 minus, okay, 2a plus 2 minus 5a square minus 5a square plus 1 plus 5. Okay. Now minus 1 into 3a plus 3 minus 3a plus 3 minus 15. Okay. And plus 2 into 3a square minus 3 minus 6. Okay. Now see what will come under. Let us see. See here, 2a minus 5a square will come, plus 7 minus 3a, 3 minus 15 is minus 12, minus of minus plus 12, outside minus is there. Here plus 6a square minus 9 minus 18. Okay. Okay, now see 6a square minus 5a square. A square will come, these two. 2a minus 3a minus a will come, these two over. And you see 7 plus 12, 19 minus 18 plus 1. Okay? See, this is this one. Okay? Now this also you box it. Now you go for this one. Answer root 3. See, I am taking that modulus a is equal to root 3. Why I have taken? See, let me make this determinant a equal to 0. Then what will come? A is equal to plus or minus root 3 will come. Modulus of a is equal to root 3. Okay. See, this option I want to take. Let me take modulus a is equal to root 3. Modulus a is equal to root 3 means what will come here? 3 minus 3. Determinant of a is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 means again what you are going to do? If it comes 0, for checking whether rank 1, again you have to go inside. If you go inside, automatically see 3 minus 2, 1. That means if submatrix is not equal to 0, that is why rank will be 2. That means see, rank of A is equal to 2. This also I am boxing. Why rank 2 I have decided? Why? Because see, overall determinant has come 0 at root 3. But inside if you go, submatrix has not given 2, 0. That is why rank is going to become 3. Or else if all submatrix gives zeros, then rank is going to become 1. But now rank of A is 2. Now same root 3 you apply for augmented matrix also. Augmented matrix means you go here. Okay? Here you go. That means your augmented matrix determinant AD is equal to, you see root 3 square. Okay, root 3 square means 3 will come plus 1. Okay, minus root 3. 4 minus root 3. 4 minus root 3 is not equal to 0. Straight away, rank of AD is equal to 3. Here, it is equal to 0, that is why we have gone inside. When it not equal to 0, then you need not go inside, put to rank 3. Both ranks are different. When both ranks are different means no solution. Inconsistent. Inconsistent, no solution when modulus of A is equal to root 3. B is your answer. Okay, let us go for next question.